Hello, welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today, I will be talking about a new way to earn passive income using your phone and computer. If you have been earning passive income through data and bandwidth sharing or data mining, then you are no stranger to the many software that are out there on the internet. During my searches, I recently discovered PacketShare, the new kid on the block that seems to show significant promise. In this video, I will share my initial thoughts about it. PacketShare lets you earn passively by sharing your spare internet bandwidth. It works on a Windows computer or on an Android smartphone and runs in the background, securely sharing your bandwidth. You can earn as much as 50 cents per GB of shared data and make as much as $2,000 per month. An income estimator is also available on the PacketShare website. Using it, you will be able to view and calculate your potential monthly earnings. You can request and receive a minimum payout of $20. There is no upper limit on the amount, which means you can pool as much money as you wish, up to $20 before requesting a payout. Recently, PacketShare introduced its much-awaited referral program. This enables existing PacketShare users to invite their friends to the platform. When they sign up using your referral code, they will instantly earn $5 as a starting gift, while you will forever earn 10% of their traffic earnings. Isn't that just awesome? PacketShare is currently available for download on Windows and Android mobile. In the future, there are plans to release for Apple and Linux as well. Kickstart your journey to a lifelong passive income in just 3 simple steps. I have provided links to sign up and start using PacketShare in the video description. To grab your $5 starting gift, remember to use my referral code that's on the screen and in the description below. In my opinion, PacketShare is a great way to earn some additional money. I do see that it shares a good amount of data, and the amount of rewards is comparable to the daily gains I have with its peers. However, it is important to note that there are several factors that influence how much you earn. The recent introduction of the referral program is surely an icing on the cake for its users and provides the opportunity to multiply your earnings. If you signed up to use PacketShare, remember to continue sharing your bandwidth, and it will surely pay you back well over time. Welcome to the PacketShare community. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube and Medium channels for more passive income videos like this.